Smart furniture sweeping robot generation 2. Let's see what's inside. Overview. Press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on the device. Press both buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds to automatically search for networks via mobile phone link. Automatic mapping. Click the button. 6-minute quick mapping 100 meters squared. Click button to start cleaning. Equipped with laders at the top. Quickly locate the direction. Press the button to return to the recharge. Quick location. Precise interface connection. When the breathing light changes color and flashes, charging begins. If you think it's noisy, it doesn't matter. Easily scheduled cleaning. Allows you to clean anytime, even when you're not at home. Multiple language settings. The choice is yours. Adjustable voice volume.